cell phone repair, home service. Watch, comments, like and share. Heather Tribe. Subscribe.
In the Philippines, with regards to cell phone fix, clients have a few choices to think about in light of surveys and proposals. Here are the critical roads for cell phone fix and their comparing audits. Isa. Approved assistance habitats. These focuses are suggested for those whose telephones are under guarantee. Fixes here are free assuming the harm is covered by the guarantee. The nature of administration is high as experts are thoroughly prepared and utilize certifiable parts. Notwithstanding, guarantees are restricted, and out-of-guarantee fixes can be exorbitant. Well-known brands like Apple, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Huawei, Asus, and Realme have approved help habitats in the Philippines. Audits demonstrate phenomenal health quality, however notice significant expenses for out-of-guarantee fixes. Dalawa. Outsider fix shops. These shops are much of the time situated in shopping centers and business structures. They offer lower administration charges, however may utilize counterfeit new parts. Surveys propose that quality can differ, and there might be protection concerns. It is encouraged to explore completely, read internet-based surveys, and look for suggestions prior to picking an outsider mechanics shop. Tatlo. Telephone protection suppliers. Deciding on telephone protection can be a helpful and practical decision for fix. Guaranteed cell phones can be fixed or supplanted inside roughly 14 days. While telephone insurance can set aside cash, it's fundamental to consider the regularly scheduled payments and investment expenses against fixed costs. Apat. Explicit fix shops. Remarkable fix shops in the Philippines incorporate spots like Green Slopes Mall, which are known for savvy screen substitutions and water harm fix. Some first-class specialist organizations in Green Slopes are Vincent Garcia Green Slopes Fix and Dr. An iPhone Macintosh Fix Center.
Thank you for watching.